In this video, we will see how to generate amazing images like these using Bing AI Image Generator, so make sure you watch this video till the very end. To generate these images, go to any browser and search Bing AI Image Generator. Click on this bing.com link that usually appears on top. You will see a page like this. Scroll below and you will find the images generated using Bing. You will also find the prompts used to generate these images. To generate your own images, you can enter your prompt here. I will enter a prompt. You can find them in the description. Click here on Create and the AI will start generating images. You will find your previous images here on the right side. Our images are now ready. You can click on them to view. As you can see, the images are really awesome. Click here on Download to download the image. Choose a location and then save. Let us try another prompt. I will copy and paste the prompt and click Create. Let us wait for the images to be generated. Also, you will see your credits here that are used up after every prompt. Our images are ready. Click on them to view. You can see that the images are really good and in high quality. If you want to know how to make animated videos easily using AI, then you can check this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching.